Hi, this is Kendra with WTI. This is the Little Tikes Spiraling Seas Water Park play table. So where does everybody want to be when it's super hot outside? We want to be near the water, right? Well, kids are no exception. They want to be playing in some sort of water when it's hot. This is perfect for that, especially if you don't have a pool. This is a small, compact little toy that doesn't take up a lot of space and will get the job done. So it does all these fun little things. Like here you can see when you turn this, the balls will fly around. If you put a ball in the top here, it will come out the side. And this little guy will create waves. It's like a little wave pool. And then over here, when you pour water in, it actually makes these spin. So it's got all these fun little things. You can drain it really easily. There's a drain plug here at the bottom. You just pop that open, and as you can see, the water starts draining out. So super easy, super fun. We love this toy, and that's our point of view.